Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is November 5th, 2020, 3 days after the presidential election, and the counting goes on. Now, I'm not quite sure why we're still actually using paper ballots to count. I mean, you can certainly come with a secure system that actually does it actually counts the numbers directly from the touch screen. And what's the point of a touch screen if you're still using paper ballots? Okay, anyway, that's enough of my little rant for today. Let's go ahead and run the report for the U.S. and see exactly what's going on. I'm actually going to do one more thing here. I'm actually going to make a change to the plot. Just a little change. There we go. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to change how the plots are displayed a little bit. I'm going to use dash. The horizontal vertical lines are going to be dashes, while the actual frame portion uh, will still be solid. So you'll see in just a minute what I'm talking about now. So you can see here we got a dash line as the canvas goes. All right, but anyway, so we're currently averaging 32,712 cases per day, 927 cases per deaths per day, and a mortality rate of about 3.2%. Now, if we look at the mortality rate, this is what I want you to see here. The red line is at 3.2%. Look at all the days when the daily mortality rate was less than 3.2%. This is nothing new here, but the question is, you see, where's the deaths associated with this spike right in here? That's my question. The gray line is the 19 to 21 day incubation period. That period comes from the Washington University's Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation. So let's take a look at the deaths here. Now you can see deaths are starting to trend up a little bit, and we should see this a little better in the next plot or two. So, but still, this was a single day high, and this is where we are. Okay, there's a 70% difference between this, 78% difference between this high and this number right here. And we're still well below this number right up here, which is the average number of cases. Nothing new here. The question remains, where are the deaths from these cases here? I personally believe they've already come and gone. They've already been counted. But as you can see here, the deaths are starting to trend back up a little bit. Okay. But on the average level, they're still very low. Now, the red line is the average number of cases per day. You can see the trouble remains. We have still a lot of cases above here. Deaths, on the other hand, this is the average number of deaths per week. Look at all the weeks when this number was below average. Cases, you can see the effect of the volatility here. Two months decline followed by a peak last month. Cases, deaths are continued for the last 5 months. Uh, Deaths have been under what 30,000 deaths for each month. Okay, we could ignore this and we could ignore that. So anyway, there's a little bit of concern that the deaths are increasing a little bit, but on the plus side, they're still relatively low compared to the number of cases. So let's keep wearing those masks, keep doing social distancing, and let's just shut this disease down cold. All right. Thanks so much for your time, Dave. We'll catch you on the next report.